So today's Thanksgiving, and we all feel grateful for something and express that gratitude to our family, to our friends, to our coworkers or people around us that we bump into in the store. For me, gratitude comes from a different place, comes from a place of kindness and the quality of being kind, caring, helpful, and generous. Having goodwill towards others, performing from a place of grace. And that kindness has to come for me, from a place in my heart of where I perform, where, how can I say it? It's determined by how I show it. You can be kind by going through your closet and emptying it out of things you no longer want or have a stain or torn on it, give it to Goodwill and say, I'm being kind. But how many times do you go to the store, buy something brand new, and then go out on the street and just give it to somebody? Buy a new shirt and give it to somebody that's homeless on the corner. You'll give them your used, unwanted things, but will you actually go to the point of taking the time, the effort, the resources to, from the bottom of your heart, say, I want to do something kind for this person, and I don't have any old clothes to give away, so I'm going to buy something new and give it to them. It's a mutualism, a reciprocal altruism, a faithfulness or loyalty, again, acting out of grace, being genuine, being authentic. Kindness to me is something that is a way of life. It's a way that I choose to approach and perceive the world around me from the bottom of my heart. Kindness is something that it permeates the pores in my existence, my whole body, as far as reaching deep, reaching into that place where there are people that don't like me. I pray for them. I pray for their souls. I pray for God's grace upon their life. I pray for them to find love, and I pray for them to find learning and understanding. I know people this weekend that are going to face family, and it's not going to be a fun event for them. Family is difficult because just all the nonsense that goes on within families. I know a particular person who's going to find out their family betrayed them, lied to them, and that's going to shake their world. This is somebody that I'm not really in good terms with, but I pray for them because that's the essence of the way I want to perform. That's the essence of the way I want to act. That's the essence of the way I want to perceive the world, and I would like the world to perceive me. Whether they do or they don't, it doesn't make a difference. I will look in the mirror when I get up and say, God, please have grace upon these people. God, please be kind to them. God, please teach them, learn them, and bring them to a place of grace. So as much as we want to be grateful on Thanksgiving, I think that reaching into a deeper level of kindness from the basic mitochondria of your existence, just ooze that and find a place that it doesn't matter what people are, what people do, what your life is about, what your life was, what your life will be. Kindness is something that you have to become, not do. And that's, for me, is something I try all the time. So on Thanksgiving, I'd like to say I'm grateful for my life. I'm grateful for all the people who have come through it, who are still in it, and the people I'm going to meet in my future. Those who stay, I love that. And those who have moved on and really don't have a good word for me or my existence, I still reach out and would treat them with kindness and pray for their well-being. So gratitude's one thing, kindness is another. I find that gratitude comes out of that kindness from me. So again, I wish you all a kind, and gentle day. I wish you all a kind and gentle life. And I wish you all to reach the place that I'm trying to reach, where kindness is the essence of my being and my aura. We'll speak to you later. You know, we have Zen of Furniture, and we have Redesigned Empire. These are two organizations that do have the essence of kindness to anybody and everybody who comes their way in a helpful way. They will go out and buy something new and give it to you if they don't have something old to give away. So that to me is that extra step in being kind. And I can hook you up with them. You can DM me and I'll be glad to introduce you. It's a place of kindness, and a place of kindness on that cellular mitochondrial level. So wish you all well, and I'll be back again. See you later.